goes. Lovely delivery from Mitchell Starc. Yep, you need to say nothing about that. The ball has done the talking for you.
Bowls in, a little chop on, picks up the off stump. First one from Mitch Starc, isn't he happy?
Oh, gone. Australia coming back strongly into the game. They're still in this 7 down England.
Oh, it might have gone too far. Not according to the umpire, though. Stokes doesn't hit it exactly where he wants to. Silva gets his opportunity with Starc steaming in from the members' end.